All you want is my hunger.
Hi guys, it's Whitney here. Yes, I'm holding Nala because she won't stop digging into her bed and it's very loud, but she's so cute. Today on this autumnal October day, I've made an apple and fig tart with a rosemary and sugar little topping. I've never made it. It looks delicious, but we'll see, and I wanted to share the recipe with you. So this is how I made it. Fingers. Okay. Little thin slices. Pretty, pretty. Happy with that? What the fig? I'll come to this in a minute. Smells like southern biscuits. Oh. Pastry's hard, even when you buy it. Wait a minute.
What?
How did he do it?
Huh? What? Huh?
It's not hot.
I know, I thought we were just being cute with government.
Scratch that. Okay, so I'm gonna try one now. I don't know which one to try first, apple or fig. I think I'm gonna go with the little apple one.
Do it.
Ready? Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Is it good?
I love what I made. You know, it would be good as well made with a drizzle of like a little bit of honey or apricot jam reduced. Hang on, hang tight. Be right back. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you make it. And tag me on Instagram. Mwah. Let's get this puff pastry. Yes, it is sharp, but because I'm trying to give you guys shortcuts and hacks that is equally delicious. So I've made like a sugar and rosemary like candy. I've made a, what the fuck? And it's gonna, my head's not in it, baby.
I can't see. You've got to tell me.
No, my head's not in it. It's like, but also, sorry guys, my puppy is whimpering. If you like it, tag. Thanks Megan for filming. Love you. Awkward.
Here we go.
Would I look okay?
Is that like what you just done to your hair? No.
No? Yeah.
I don't know why you like to have hair one side.
Yeah. Hi guys, it's Whitney here. You guys hopefully know how much I love food in the fall, so I've made you my face isn't in it, my head's not in it. I put it on my head.